Welcome, friend. Let's turbocharge your viewers. Proven strategies to rapidly increase your YouTube viewership. Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to skyrocket your YouTube viewership and reach a wider audience, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing 7 proven strategies that will help you increase your YouTube viewership fast. So, let's dive right in. 1. Optimize your titles and thumbnails. First impressions matter. Your video title and thumbnail are the first things viewers see. Make them compelling, eye-catching, and relevant to your content. A great title sparks curiosity, while an enticing thumbnail encourages viewers to click and watch your video. 2. Create high-quality content. No shortcut here. Content is king, and high-quality videos are a must. Focus on providing value to your audience, entertaining them, or solving their problems. The better your content, the more likely viewers are to stick around and share it with others. 3. Consistency is key. Consistency builds trust and loyalty with your audience. Establish a regular upload schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or even daily. Let your viewers know when they can expect fresh content from you. 4. Utilize SEO to your advantage. Search engine optimization, SEO, is vital for YouTube's success. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make your content discoverable. Additionally, keep an eye on trending topics and create content around them to tap into a larger audience. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations are an excellent way to expose your channel to new audiences. Reach out to other creators in your niche or related fields, and work on projects together. This cross-promotion can help both of your channels grow. 6. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and encourage discussions. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued, and they're more likely to come back for more. 7. Promote your videos on social media. Don't just rely on YouTube alone for promoting your content. Share your videos on various social media platforms, such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. Engage with those communities, and remember to follow each platform's best practices for optimal visibility. There you have it, 7 powerful strategies to rapidly increase your YouTube viewership. Remember, it takes time and dedication to grow your channel, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to attracting more viewers and subscribers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you missed our last video, check it out on the left, and for more exciting updates, hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to never miss a video. See you soon.